Hello everybody, I'm constructing this logic circuit. These are all different types of gates. This is an inverter, AND gate, OR gate. These are switches, 1, 2, 3. Voltage, 5 volts, ground. These are all going to power an LED, ground. Now the circuit's supposed to work according to this table. A 0 is low voltage, a 1 is high voltage. When we have 3 low voltages, we get a low voltage output. When we get 2 low voltages and 1 high voltage input, we get 1 high voltage output. Same case here, but here when we get 2 high voltage inputs, 1 low voltage input, we get a low voltage output. Here is the same case as here, a high. Here we got 2 high inputs, so we get a 0 again. Once again 2, and we get a high. On this one it's 3 high voltages, and we get a low. Here's the construction. Here are the switches. Here are the 3 gates. Inverter, AND, OR. This wire right here is the first switch. This wire right here, second switch, third switch. They go into the inverter where the voltage is 0. The inverter creates it a high. If the voltage is high, the inverter makes it low. Then they move on to the AND gates. The AND gates then move on to the OR gate. And then the voltage then moves on to the resistor. Finally the LED. This is ground. This is 5 volt supply. We got it all right now on. So I'll go ahead and test this. Right now we have everything on 0 volts for all 3 inputs, so we logically have no power on the LED. When I turn on the third input to high, we will get a high output and the LED will turn on. So that's 1, 2, 3. LED is on. Next, input B, high voltage, output high voltage, or just voltage, not high, but whatever. There we go. Then we got 2 high voltages. Input A high, input C high, output low. Input A high, output input C high, output low. LED turns on. Next, input A high, input B high, output high. Input A high, input B high, output high. Finally, high input for all 3 switches, low output. Low. There it is, logic circuit.